Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the bootable software. There are mainly two bootable software which I am going to show you now. One is the Rufus and another one is the Balenoicha. So let us see. Open a browser, just click Rufus download. So once you enter, it will show one website to Rufus. Then go inside that, just come down, you will get an option called download. Here you have multiple options. As I'm using Windows system, I'm going to download this first one. Yeah, it is downloaded. It will automatically execute if you just open the file and give permission. Yes. Okay, this is how you can download Rufus. Here you can select device name, the pen drive which you want to convert it as bootable device, and you can select the iOS here, and there are a lot of changes which I'll be showing in upcoming videos to how to convert a bootable device for Linux, Windows and also Kali Linux.